Welcome to my game walkthrough. So I decided to do a game called Alien Lifeform, which I found on ABC Education, but you can find it through Skriddle as well. And you're an alien called a Zorpek, and you get to create a new plant to live on different Earth habitats. So as I said, it's a science game based in year threes and fours, and it's really interactive. And we'll go through a quick run through. So you get to choose where you grow it. So you can do mangroves, cool rainforest, mountain slopes, or arid lands. So I'm going to do mangroves, and it tells you a bit about it. So it's really important to read this so that you can get the right plant. So you could do this game based on learning about different kinds of areas or different kinds of plants. And basically you get to create your own plants. So these are your controls, and these are what you do. So you've got your leaves, seeds, and roots. And they're the different things you get to choose. So what you do is you choose what you want, you then press the check button and it will scan it. Based on what you've read before and the previous knowledge that you already have about different areas, you can go through and read this. And if it doesn't match, for example, we had these, you could go check and it would scan, and you could potentially say, that's probably not the best because we want mangroves, so we don't want snow. So we can go back to the leaves we had before. And then once you're happy with what you've got, check it again. And then you can go done. And it will grow your plant. It will then put your plant in to the mangroves, and you've got it right. So it tells you why you've got everything right. And if you get it wrong, you can try again to do a different one. You can finish, and it says you've done a great job. Continue. You can also print out like this, so you can go through and print it out if you wanted to put it into a file or something. I think it's a really great game because it's very interactive. You could do it as a whole class, you could do it as individual or group work, and it's perfect for this age group as well. You can do it so that they mess up and then have to rechange it, and it gives you the opportunity to change it as many times as you like. And I think it's really cool because it's aliens, and what kids don't like aliens. So I really enjoyed playing this game, and I think I will use it in the future.